Today we're going to make a delicious Sondesh. It's a nice, quick and easy recipe and it comes out very yummy. So let's start making. For the dough, you'll need very few ingredients. You'll need 4 cups of milk and 2 tablespoons of vinegar soaked in 1 cup of water. Now, since the milk has come to a boil, I kept it boiling for 4 to 5 minutes. Let's turn off the heat and add the vinegar very slowly. Let's add the vinegar while we slowly stir the milk around. Let's keep stirring until we see lumps of cheese starting to form. Now, since I saw the cheese form, I'm going to be dumping it very slowly into a cheesecloth. Try to get rid of most of the water. We should rinse the cheese with some cold water to get rid of the vinegar taste. Let's squeeze out all the water. And hang it for 1 hour. Now, since I've let it hang for 1 hour, I'm going to be kneading it. Wow, it feels so satisfying. Now let's make the Sondesh batter nice and sugary. Let's add a half cup of sugar, some milk infused with saffron, 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder, and 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. Now, to make the batter thick, we're going to microwave the batter for 15 minutes, but 3 intervals of 5 minutes each. Now that I've heated the Sondesh and let it cool for 4 to 5 minutes, I'm going to be making some dough balls. Wow, doesn't it look so good already? But wait, it's missing something. I added some Sondesh leaves to give a pop of color. Now it looks perfect. Bon appetit, now you may eat. And please like and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more of my videos, hit the notification bell.